If you are under the age of 18 and watching this video, please stop now. This video content is not intended for you. Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here with a video response to Tonic Tuesday. Tonic Tuesday is a personal challenge that Joyce, who is creating life after 60, issued for herself so that she could use her tonic products. Even though the challenge was for her, she is inviting all of us to play along if we would like to, and we have tonic products that we can use. Now, she will be posting the second Tuesday in every month. She has not decided how long this is going to run, so please just come and join in on the fun. Pull out those tonic products so you can get them used. Okay, I will have a link in the description box to her original video so that you can get more details. And now I am going to share with you what I use to create my tonic project for today. I use this 3/4 inch punch. The base of my project is paper tray ink paper, and this is called New Leaf. I pulled out this Recollections Orange Blossom and used a couple of sheets out of here. And the die that I am going to use is How Does Your Garden Grow die set. And I thought this was so cute. I ended up getting it in one of the mystery bundles that Tonic offers. And I was so excited when I saw it because I didn't even know they had that. So I was just excited. So you can do a watering can or here like a bucket. I chose to do the watering can. Okay. And this is what I created. Here is my watering can. And I thought that orange blossom paper was perfect with all of the flowers. And that green was the perfect base because of spring. All right, and I did follow a tutorial, and I cannot think of the crafter's name, but I will have it listed in the description box. This was so easy to put together. Her tutorial was fantastic, and I know there are directions in the die set itself, but I love seeing when someone else does a tutorial on a project. But this is how this turned out. Now, a word of caution. This piece, this grate, becomes very delicate once you cut into that paper. And paper tray ink is pretty sturdy paper, but this became very delicate. So you see here where I got a wrinkle there and some here as I was trying to adhere it in because I wasn't really paying attention to how delicate it was. So be cautious of that when you're doing that. I did add brads to the handle. You don't have to, but to get it to move, which was great. And you can put goodies in here, whatever you choose to do. You can add flowers. This would be really cute. It would have been a great Mother's Day gift. And what I thought about doing, my original intention was to share it with a crafty friend. However, because of these little faux pas, I decided I'm not going to do that. But what I was going to do was put in seed packets. You see how great that fits? And I thought it was so perfect. So if you have a crafty buddy, again, you can put in crafty goodies. If you have someone that you know who doesn't craft and gardens, this is perfect. But this is how the watering can turned out. This handle you don't have to include. You could do it without, but I thought it was cute with the handle. So that is my share for Tonic Tuesday for the first installment. Again, the link to Joyce's channel will be in the description box with her video giving her details on Tonic Tuesday. And I also will have the link to the tutorial that I followed. But this was so quick and so easy to do. Love, love, love it. And I will be making another. And next time I'll be more careful with this piece right here. So I'll just sit it in my crafty space with some other things that I've created to look at. But that is it for this Tuesday. So thank you all for stopping by and watching. Happy crafting.